This rich and creamy pasta combines earthy flavors of pesto and the smoky crunch of bacon, all elevated with the health benefits of C60 Power's EVOO. Now, the addition of avocado gives the sauce an extra luxe texture while keeping it wholesome. Perfect for a quick and satisfying dinner. Pesto time! I love this recipe because not only is pesto one of my favorite dressings for pasta, but this pesto is amplified by two things, not just one, but by two. By an avocado to make it extra rich and creamy, add lots of good healthy fats and also some great omegas. And then we're also going to add my favorite, the C60 Power EVOO, extra virgin olive oil that is so rich and delicious. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of this into the pesto sauce. Then we're gonna cook up some organic penne pasta. We're going to use some crumbled bacon to add a nice umami flavor as well as some crunch. So let's get cooking. First, we're going to make our pesto. So it says 1 clove of garlic, but I like 2. I'm gonna put a half of this avocado, because this is a nice big one, into our blender. You can also use a food processor. No pesto would be complete without basil. So we need a good, healthy amount of basil. This basil smells so good. I'm serious, people. We need to really figure out smell-o-vision. It needs to become a thing. We're gonna add in our Parmesan cheese. Now you can use vegan Parmesan if you don't like cheese or if you're lactose intolerant. And then the thing that makes this really nice and silky smooth are these pine nuts or pignoli nuts. So we're going to add a pinch or 2 of salt. And instead of black pepper, I am going to use my favorite Italian Viagra to add a little bit of heat to our pesto, just a little bit. Now let's add in our 2 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of EVOO from C60. This is going to be an antioxidant rich pesto sauce. Now before I blend that up, let us pop the pasta into our pot. Always add a little bit of olive oil, not the C60, but just some regular olive oil to the pot. And let's bring it up to a boil. I'm gonna add a little bit of regular olive oil, about another tablespoon, to our pesto. Let's blend it up. Here we go. All right, it's coming together. And then we will toss this up with some bacon and the pasta. That is perfect. You don't want your pesto to be nice and runny. You want it to be nice and thick. That's how you know that the pesto is perfect. Let me show you. Oh yeah, just like that. That's perfect pesto right there. And it smells so, so good. So I'm just gonna scoop this delicious pesto right out of the container. Oh yeah. Creamy, delicious, and super nutritious. There we go. Now I'm just gonna stir it up, as Bob Marley would say. That is a beautiful thing. And then I'm just going to crumble in some of the bacon. The bacon crumbles are gonna go right in there. There we go. And this, my friends, you can add in some more pine nuts for some crunch. And then we'll put this in a pretty bowl and serve it up nice and warm.